kami ng mga kailangan namin para sa next video namin. It's called Toad in the Hole. Weird.
It does sound weird when you pause it, yeah.
Can you say Toad in the Hole?
It's called Toad in the Hole.
Oo, ayun na yun. Kasi kulang kami ng sausage. Tapos mayroon pang ibang kulang. Ayan. Kasi lagi nyo kami nakikita sa loob ng bahay. Yung video namin sa loob lang kami ng bahay. Bihira nyo lang kami nakikita na nagtitake ng video sa labas. So, ngayon, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung town kung saan kami nakatira. Guys, oy, mag-ice cream sa tao eh. Ang kalami, oy. Init kayo ron, oy. Init ang panahon. So, kita na lang tayo mamaya.
Okay guys, for the onion gravy we have flour, we have brown sugar, we have obviously onion, very important, butter, salt, we have the pepper, we have Worcester sauce, vegetable oil, you can use other types of oil, and then we have stock cubes. We're going with beef stock cubes. Wow. Magandang hapon. Today we are having Toad in the Hole. This is our first time successfully making Toad in the Hole. I'll explain why I said successfully in a sec. As you can tell, it probably went a bit wrong first time. The reason it's called Toad in the Hole, we're not actually eating toad, we're not even eating frog. We're actually eating venison. venison sausages. The reason it's called toad in the hole, it's a bit complicated, but basically it goes back to the 18th century, and during that time they obviously didn't have TV, it didn't have radio, it didn't have PlayStations, etc, etc, and the only form of entertainment they had mainly was theatre, and this is classic culinary theatre or food theatre. In that time they have different style of theatre. They have things like flaming alcohol drinks, even they have that now. I don't know if you've seen The Simpsons, but they have flaming mo. It's that kind of thing is theatre. And so with this is for the people that didn't have a lot of money, and it also was to stretch the meat, so they have it with batter. And toad in the hole represents the actual toad, because toads live in the ground, and so you have meat. And the story behind that is the meat, it bursts out for food, and the richer people, the nobility, the actual royal family, they used to have a theatre where they have big feasts of food, and then they have pies, or they have different things like I think pizza as well in different countries, and you have things actually crawling on the items. It sounds disgusting, but it wasn't. It was theatre, because what they do is you'd have something burst out of the pie, maybe a real bird, and then you'd eat the pie. And so that was the theatre, because it was like, oh, shock. And so it wasn't just taste, it was the sight, it was the sounds, it was the hearing with the fireworks, all sorts. Anyway, Cayenne Tayo. Oh, you've already started.
It.
So yeah, let's go.
So nice.
Yeah, got the gravy, got the batter. Let's try the venison. Wow.
That's it, guys.
Wow.
Join us.
Oh, the batter's really good.
Right? See, I done perfectly now.
Yeah, the batter's perfect. It's crispy on the outside and quite soft in the middle. Oh, it's delicious. Should we tell them a story of what went wrong?
Sige.
Well, first time we tried doing this, it went a bit wrong. We got the ingredients perfect, we got the method perfect. The tray that we used, first time round, it was wrong, because it was round and it was that thick. And, well, it was like a cake, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's like a cake.
As you can see from the picture. And so we use a different tray this time, and, well, it's perfect, isn't it?
Later on. Coffee is life. I can't survive without coffee. Cheers.
Cheers. I was about to say something then. Cheers. Delicious batter. The texture of the batter is similar to perfect Yorkshire pudding, but of course the Yorkshire pudding is quite small. It's only yay big. This is family size. And this is perfect for for kids, for families, isn't it? And it's nice because you can put other meats in there as well. You don't have to use venison. You can use pork. You can even use chicken if you wanted to. In fact, before they used to use pigeon. That was one of the earliest recipes, because before chicken, it was quite expensive, so people would just go out and shoot the pigeon and put the pigeon in the pie. But as things change, people get, well, different tastes, don't they? Perfect comfort food.
I like the gravy.
Yeah, the gravy is delicious. Worth the effort, isn't it?
Want some more?
Yeah. Yeah, the gravy is really nice.
Look at this.
Wow. And it's perfect colour. See guys,
I done perfectly.
it's perfectly fit in the tray. Because the previous one was like a cake. It was like a Yorkshire pudding cake. It was delicious, but it wasn't the effect we were going for. Still nice though, wasn't it?
Gravy?
Yes, please. Yeah, lots of gravy. The gravy's delicious. It's nice and thick. It's not too watery, so that's good. But we'll leave the ingredients in the description. So if you did want a copy or have a try yourself, then yeah, do it. You can put different meats in there, as I said. You can even use vegetarian sausages if you want to. Just you can do vegetarian style, can't you? So yeah, it's delicious. Anyway, guys, leave a comment if you've got any questions. Let us know, and until the next video, Ingat Car.
Bye-bye.